Good Tuesday! Let's play! Every new box of Visions cookware from the 80s, anyway, had a blue stripe on the corner, and it always said, ideal for microwave. And I have never microwaved frozen chicken thighs. And we've got some coarse chopped celery, coarse chopped onion, just a little bit of carrot. I'm not a big fan of carrots, but we'll put a little carrot in. Chunk of garlic, I smashed it, but I didn't chop it up. We're just gonna put the whole thing in there. Maybe a little parsley flakes, some Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, a little Sazon. And I thought we'd use our LeClair sauce pot. Both chicken thighs fit in pretty well. We're just gonna put them in there with some water, stick it in the microwave, and we're gonna nuke it, probably 8 minutes at a time because my microwave is a little finicky. So we'll go 8 minutes at a time, maybe flip them over, put it back in, and flip them over, put it back in. Let's see if we can make some tender chicken thighs in the microwave. Ideal for microwave. That's what we're doing. Let's stop yapping and let's get microwaving. All right, that's one frozen chicken thigh. Fit perfectly. It's 8 minutes. It's not boiling because the thighs are frozen. I want to rotate them though. It is getting hot in there. We're just gonna turn them upside down. She's bubbling, bubbling, bubbling. This is 24 minutes in the microwave at 8-minute intervals. Poke it with a knife. Wow, it went right in. It might be done. These might be done. It's not bleeding blood. The knife just went right in. Should we take one out and see? I'm gonna poke it again. Poke it again. It feels soft. It feels soft. We gotta try one. I don't know if it's done. Let's find out. I'll take one out, put it on a plate. Now obviously you can spoon off the fat, okay? Let's see if she pulls apart. See if she's pulling apart. It does look cooked. Let's take a bite. Hey, that's pretty good. It does need salt though. I'm gonna take one more bite just to decide if it's cooked. It's a little chewy. Would cooking it longer in the microwave make it tender though? Make it more tender? Let's try a piece of celery. Celery's perfect. Let's see if the carrot's too hard. The carrot's soft. The carrot's perfect. Since we're playing, I'm gonna keep this one out. I'm gonna put her back in the microwave for 5 minutes, just to see if maybe we can get it a little more tender. But I would say this has been a success. That was pretty easy darn chicken. Back in the microwave for 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, so that was an extra 5 minutes. Is it more tender, those extra 5 minutes? It is. I think it is. I think those extra 5 minutes made it more tender. Let's see. Just pulls apart. Question is, how does it taste? How hot do you think that is? Let's find out. Oh, hey, those extra 5 minutes really worked. Hey, ideal for microwave. We'll take one more bite here with skin on. That's definitely more tender. Let's try and break it from underneath. Let's see. Oh, it just pulls off. It's pretty close to perfect. That's pretty cool. It's just like 8 minutes, 8 minutes, 8 minutes, and 5. Oh yeah. Oh wow. That was really tender. That piece was really tender. Oh, this was fun. I'll take one more bite and then we'll say adieu. Okay, make sure your broth is salty enough. Thanks for watching.